Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Today I'm going to show you my shawl, a crochet pocket shawl, and this is a new project. You can see the pocket and the design. I add some granny square at one side of my shawl, and that's how it looks like. I work with the shawl separately and granny square separately and the pockets individually. I made all of this and then I joined it all together. Let's begin with the pattern. Make a knot. I will take multiple of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I take 22 chains, multiple of 5 plus 2 chains. So let's start the first row. 1, 2, 3 chains. I will count it as double crochet, and then from here 4th chain and 5th chain, skip it, and then here the 3rd one make first double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Three double crochet. Then again 1 and 2, skip 2 chains, and in the 3rd one make another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Again skip 2 chains, 1 and 2. In the 3rd one make another 3 double crochet. So you have to make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. So keep going until the end of this row. Look at this, I complete this row. Now in the last chain just make one double crochet in the last one, like this, and then make 1, 2, 3 chain and turn your work. Okay, now we have to make a double crochet cluster. You see, I made this single double crochet over here, so I made this 3 chains on the top of this. Now we have to work on these 3. So I'm going to work like this. Let me show you. First double crochet over here, yarn over, and just take 2 loops down. That's it. Keep this loop on the hook, yarn over. In the second double crochet make another one, again yarn over and pull through 2 and keep it on the hook. Then again yarn over, and in the 3rd one make another double crochet, not full double crochet but the half, like this, and keep the yarn. So you can see you have 1, 2, 3 double crochet, but it's actually not the fully made. Now you have to yarn over and pull all 4 together like this and 1 stitch. So this is actually called a cluster, 3 double crochet cluster stitch, this thing. Now because it's count as a 1 stitch now, so we have to make 2 chains, 1 2, and then start again in these 3. Again same thing, yarn over, pull only from through 2 loops, then again yarn over in the second one, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops and keep the 1 loop, the last loop, on the hook, then yarn over and make a third one like this, yarn over on 2 loops. You can see now you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and all together like this and close this stitch like this. So that's the pattern I made it on my shawl. Again take 2 chains, 1 2, and then again yarn over, go here, 2, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, keep the 1 loop here, and then yarn over again like this over here. Now pull from all 4 together like this, and now this stitch is complete. So this is 3 double crochet together in 1. Again 2 chains, keep going until the end of this row. The pattern should be like this. Now you can see this is the pattern, and in the last we have one this single crochet, the chains here, so make the last single crochet on that one. Again, sorry, now take 3 chains, 1 2 3, turn your work. So after this 3 chain, you can see this stitch, a gap over here, a hole in here. You have to work in this one, this one. So make 3 double, before making 3 double crochet, make 1 chain, extra chain, and then make 3 double crochet over here, 1 2 and 3 double crochet like this. Now again make 3 double crochet in this one. This time we are not taking any chains between our clusters because it's already 3 chain. You can see 3 stitches separately over here, so we don't need in this row. So make another 3, one 2 3 like this. Again another 3, 1 2 and 3, and then another 3. So my third row is complete. You can see we have to repeat first and second row again and again. In my last stitch I'm making 1 double crochet and then again 1 2 3 for next like this. Okay, now take 1 chain, extra chain, and then same you have to make cluster 2 and the second one again, and then the third one. Now pull all together like this. Can you see? It will be like this shape, diamond shape. Now complete this stitch, chain 2. Now again here. So keep going like this until you finish the entire row. You have to repeat row 1 and 2 to make this pattern. I will show you when I finish this row. So that's, you can see how the pattern will grow. So this pattern is only 2 rows pattern, so you have to repeat the same thing again and again. Okay, for my shawl I started doing the pattern in this way. Like I made the chain first, I made the chain and then I measure it around my neck, how long I need my shawl to be, and then I start working in the width way. So I start working like this and I made the desired width for my shawl, and then I stop working and I add the granny square in the end like a border. And after adding the granny square, I made the border around the shawl, and then I stitched the crochet pocket separately, and then I stitch it with the needle on my pattern. You can see in the shawl. So I hope you enjoyed this pattern. It's very easy, and see you in my next video. See you soon. Bye. Allah Hafiz.